Are you looking for the best shower cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best shower cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber. This shower cleaner is versatile as it can be used all around the bathroom. It is ideal for use on tile, glass, floors, and even narrow spaces as it has a good reach. This shower cleaning mop is designed to wipe away marks and mold from your bathroom surfaces, leaving it shining. It has an extendable handle, so it has a good reach, making it suitable for the walls and ceiling of your bathroom as well as the doors of the shower. This shower cleaner has an antimicrobial head that is abrasive to provide a deep cleaning of all surfaces. It can retain water so it can rinse away the cleaning product used, allowing you to clean the bathroom quicker than ever before. This is one of the best bathroom cleaners as it is versatile and suitable for all areas of the shower. This shower cleaner can be used on all surfaces in the bathroom, and it is highly effective. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Method Daily Shower Spray. This shower spray cleaner is safe to use on a regular basis as it does not contain bleach or other harsh ingredients. It uses plant-based power green technology that will dissolve stains and remove mold without scrubbing. This shower cleaner is versatile as it can be used on shower doors, windows, tiles, and around the fixtures. This daily shower cleaner will keep your bathroom clean and safe for all the family to use, without any harsh chemicals. This is a good value pack of 2 cleaners that can be used on a daily basis to keep your bathroom clean. It has a nice smell of mint due to the use of natural ingredients. This shower cleaner is made from non-toxic and natural ingredients, making it safe to use in the home. At number 3, we have the Kaboom Foam-Tastic Bathroom Cleaner. This shower cleaner is a foaming spray that can effectively remove mold, mildew, and other stains from the surfaces of your bathroom. This shower spray will spray on blue and then turn white when it is ready to be removed. This is time for you to wipe it away. It has powerful OxiClean bubbles that will remove stains and leave your bathroom cleaner than ever before. This shower spray is tough on stains and can cover large areas as it is a spray cleaner. It can remove stains, including hard water stains, and mold without any harsh scrubbing, making it suitable for glass. This spray will leave your shower cleaner than ever before, and every surface will be shining. This shower cleaner is highly effective at removing mold and stains from all surfaces. At number 2, we have the Wet and Forget 800-1064 Shower Cleaner. This shower cleaner is long-lasting, making it a good investment for your bathroom. It is a shower cleaner that can provide up to 12 weeks of cleaning power, making it highly powerful. This shower cleaner is designed to be sprayed and forgotten about as it needs to be left for 8 hours. This makes it easy to use and is suitable for even tough stains. This shower clean can be used regularly as it does not have a harsh smell, nor does it contain any harsh bleach. This shower cleaner does not require any scrubbing or wipe, making it very easy to use. As it has a nozzle, this shower cleaner can be applied to large surface areas, like the shower doors, without too much effort. It will remove mold, mildew, and other bacteria effectively. And finally, at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Squeegee. This shower cleaner is very versatile as it can be used on various different surfaces around the bathroom, including glass, shower doors, mirrors, and windows. This shower cleaner has a flexible blade that can be used to remove all stains from surfaces around the bathroom as well as moisture to prevent mold, mildew, and other bacteria from building up. This is one of the easiest to use cleaning products due to its versatility. The grip is cushioned and contoured, making it comfortable to hold. This allows you to get a good grip so you can accurately clean your bathroom and target all stains. This shower cleaner is very versatile and easy to use as it has a cushioned grip. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.